What feedback do you want to incorporate into your final draft? I really want to add an entire new section to my video discussing clamps, different types of clamps, and showing how to use each kind as well as how to safely ensure the weight won't fall off and cause injury. What has your peers' feedback made you consider that you hadn't considered before? If it wasn't for the peer review, I would completely miss the vital component of clamps, and that could potentially become a safety risk. What type of feedback was least effective for you as a rider? Honestly, all of it proved to be helpful. A lot of it was telling me things I already knew, but it still helped me reinforce the ideas I already had. After reflecting on the feedback you received, did you notice that you've left any feedback for your peers that maybe wasn't helpful, as it could have been? How can you improve your feedback in the future to be more beneficial to your peers in the upcoming projects? I believe that when it comes to peer reviewing, there's always that risk of hurting somebody's feelings, as this project all came from their own ideas. One thing I hope to get better at is separating myself from the critique so I can give unbiased and legitimate tips that would help them improve. Thank you. Bye bye.